Now, I'm Annabelle, but just as wondering, and this is our narrowboat tour. We've had this amazing opportunity to work with boutique barges and stay on this boat called Big Boat. It is a 10-foot wide boat, which is insane compared to ours. It's called Big Boat. Let me show you the roof to start with. Let's come aboard. As you come aboard, you can stand on the roof. There is a decking area, so let me show you what it's all about. Big Boat is situated in the middle of Little Venice, which is the best place to put a boat, really, in my fact. So on the boat there is a decking chair situation where you can just chill and put the fire on, believe it or not. And we did that last night, so I put a little clip in here and it was absolutely incredible. So you've got a little space to put your fire, 2 deck chairs, and this is your view. Should we go inside? I think so. Let's go inside. Hello, Wim. Come on. Welcome to our wifey boat. So, what do you think?
Wow.
Speaks for itself. So, let's give you a little tour of the inside because, as you can see, it is
So our boat probably finishes here.
literally probably where the fire breaks.
So probably from the door to, it's probably to like bathrooms, right to right here.
Yeah, and this just keeps going and keeps going. So let's start in the kitchen. So in the kitchen it is beautiful. It's given us so many ideas for the future, but it's a full stainless kitchen, and I think it's really cool. So you've got full sink setup, loads of storage, oven, gas hob, gas oven I imagine, and then down here
Follow Willow around.
is like all your bits and pieces, but they're on show, but they're just so like elegantly on show, which I think is really cool. But yeah, and it's just been really cozy, hasn't it? So from here you go into the lounge, which is all helicopter. And my favourite part is the duck hatch.
The duck hatch.
It is a duck hatch.
Oh, is it a duck hatch?
Well, no, it's a hatch, but it's my duck hatch. The other ducks have left.
All the ducks have left.
But yeah, this is where you can feed your dickies in the morning. I just love it. We don't have one on our boat, do we?
No.
No, but that's amazing. And then from there, you've got this really cool snug area. And you go in,
Follow Willow in again.
which is really elegantly decorated.
Another thing that we want in our boat, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Somewhere to work.
Yeah.
Window there.
So yeah, that's your little snug area, which I think is really well designed to make the boat look even bigger. From there you come down into the bathroom, which has a waterfall shower, which is really cool. You can set a toilet.
Full wet room.
It's a full wet room and your vanity, and then your waterfall shower, which is really, really cool. And it all pumps out through that basin there, which is really cool. From there, you have wardrobe storage.
And also,
Everything's on these really cool
yes, that's what I was going to say.
hinges, so everything folds flat,
Like piano hinges, are they?
which are really cool design. Brush with it.
Loads of storage.
Yeah, loads of storage, both the bottom and top. And then,
Little porthole windows allowing light through.
yeah, you come through into this absolutely beautiful bedroom, which Willow's now modelling.
Willow's mother.
No, she loves everything soft.
You have got Bella too.
Yeah, but this bedroom's so cosy. You're so high up, so you can see out of the window, which is really cool to see the boats moving.
You can lie in bed and just watch.
It's it's really fun. I'm going to have to move these. Oh god, you can still get them. Right then there.
Yes, you may have noticed that when we got here, everything was beautifully laid out. And because if we've got a little monster, we have to move them out of Willow Height. So.
And then the last little area of the boat to show you is the front, which is really, really cool. And up there, which is like a little sitting area with the sea. But yeah, it's a really cool little area to have a coffee in the morning, and that's your view. Doesn't get much better than that.
Doesn't get much better than that, does it?
Perfect. So you can probably tell that we have absolutely loved our time here. It's so beautiful, and it's given us so many ideas for what
Oh yeah, although it was
future
like
projects
a little
look like.
weekend break, we spent the whole time wondering, oh, we should do this to ours, we should do this to ours, we should do this in the next break.
And
So.
the lady Sam, thank you so much for having us. Like, it's been amazing. And the company that we've actually stayed with at the minute is Beauty Barges. I'll link them below because
You can
should
hire
stay
this
with
place
them.
too.
You should hire this boat. Why not? Take it on holiday. Well, take it on holiday. You stay in Little Venice, but come stay here for a weekend break, a week break. Amazing.
Perfect spot in London.
It is. It really is. So central to like Camden, Portobello,
Jump on the
Paddington.
tube about 5 minutes away and
Literally, and it's really convenient, and you just don't get much better hotel rooms, do you? So it's a hotel on water. It's amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
check out our Instagram for all the photos.
Please check out the Instagram. See you in the next one.